Rope lights offer both aesthetic appeal and versatility. They can add ambience and create a cozy atmosphere in various settings. Rope lights can be used indoors and outdoors, placed on ledges, incorporated into furniture, or utilized as accent lighting. Their flexibility allows them to conform easily to curves and angles, simplifying installation in many cases. Modern light-emitting diode, or LED, rope lights are generally energy efficient, consuming minimal energy compared to traditional incandescent bulbs. Outdoor-rated rope lights are designed to withstand weathering and temperature fluctuations, increasing their durability. However, there are also potential drawbacks to consider. Incandescent rope lights typically have a shorter lifespan than LED lights. Incandescent rope lights can produce heat, which can potentially damage objects they come into contact with. Some LED rope lights may experience flickering or dimming when dimmed too low. Running rope lighting over long distances can require additional wiring and support. Both LED and incandescent rope lights may require occasional maintenance, such as bulb replacement, with incandescent lights potentially needing more frequent replacements. For a project involving a 170-foot distance, it is crucial to ensure adequate power and support for the rope light. Placement on a ledge behind molding may limit visibility and accessibility for future maintenance. When used in a living room, it is important to consider the desired ambience and choose a rope light with the appropriate color, temperature, and brightness. It is generally recommended to use LED rope lighting due to their energy efficiency, long lifespan, and minimal heat production. Choosing a high-quality brand known for durability and reliability is also advisable. Careful planning of the installation is essential, determining the power requirements, support needed, and wiring route. For complex installations over long distances, hiring a professional electrician may be beneficial. Before installation, thoroughly test the rope light to ensure all bulbs are working properly and that the dimming, if applicable, functions as expected. Rope lighting, particularly LED rope lighting, can be a good choice for adding ambience to a living room, but careful planning and consideration of potential drawbacks are essential. To elaborate further, let's delve deeper into each aspect of rope lighting, starting with the advantages. Firstly, the aesthetic appeal of rope lighting is undeniable. It provides a soft, diffused light that can transform the mood of a room. The ability to bend and shape the rope light allows for creative installations that can highlight architectural features or create unique patterns. Secondly, the versatility of rope lighting makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. From outlining decks and patios to adding a subtle glow to kitchen cabinets, rope lights can adapt to various design needs. Thirdly, the flexibility of rope lights simplifies installation, even in challenging spaces. They can be easily cut to length and secured with clips or adhesive, making them a popular choice for do-it-yourself projects. Fourthly, energy efficiency is a major advantage of LED rope lights. They consume significantly less power than incandescent bulbs, resulting in lower energy bills and a reduced environmental impact. Fifthly, the durability of outdoor-rated rope lights ensures they can withstand harsh weather conditions. They are typically sealed to protect against moisture and dust, making them ideal for use in gardens, pathways, and other outdoor areas. Now let's examine the disadvantages of rope lighting. Firstly, the short lifespan of incandescent rope lights can be a significant drawback. They require frequent bulb replacements, which can be time-consuming and costly. Secondly, heat generation from incandescent rope lights can be a safety concern. If placed near flammable materials, they could potentially pose a fire hazard. Thirdly, dimming issues can arise with some LED rope lights. Not all LED rope lights are compatible with dimmers, and those that are may exhibit flickering or uneven dimming at low settings. Fourthly, installation complexity can increase with longer runs of rope lighting. Additional wiring and support may be needed to ensure proper voltage and prevent sagging. Fifthly, maintenance is an ongoing requirement for all types of rope lighting. Bulbs need to be replaced periodically, and the rope light itself may need to be cleaned to remove dust and debris. Addressing the specific project involving a 170-foot distance, several factors must be considered. Firstly, power requirements will be substantial. A longer run of rope light will draw more power, so it's essential to ensure the circuit can handle the load. Secondly, voltage drop can become an issue over long distances. The voltage at the end of the run may be significantly lower than at the beginning, resulting in dimmer light output. Thirdly, support is crucial to prevent sagging and ensure the rope light remains securely in place. Clips or other fasteners should be spaced appropriately to distribute the weight evenly. For placement on a ledge behind molding, consider the following. Firstly, accessibility for maintenance will be limited. It may be difficult to reach the rope light to replace bulbs or clean it. Secondly, visibility may be reduced. The molding could block some of the light, making the rope light less effective. Thirdly, heat buildup could be a concern if the rope light is enclosed in a tight space. Ensure there is adequate ventilation to prevent overheating, especially if using incandescent rope lights. For a living room application, think about the desired ambience. Firstly, color temperature plays a significant role in setting the mood. Warm white light creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere, while cool white light provides a more modern and energetic feel. Secondly, brightness should be appropriate for the space. Too bright and it can be overwhelming, too dim and it may not be effective. Thirdly, dimming capability can add flexibility. Being able to adjust the brightness allows you to create different moods for different occasions. When choosing a rope light, look for certain characteristics. Firstly, LED rope lights are generally the best option due to their energy efficiency, long lifespan, and low heat output. Secondly, a high-quality brand will ensure durability and reliability. Look for rope lights with a good warranty and positive customer reviews. Thirdly, proper planning is essential for a successful installation. This includes determining the power requirements, calculating the voltage drop, and planning the wiring route. Fourthly, consider hiring a professional electrician for complex installations. A qualified electrician can ensure the installation is safe and meets all applicable codes. Testing the rope light before installation is always a good idea. This allows you to verify that all the bulbs are working and that the dimming function, if present, is operating correctly. Here are some additional tips for working with rope lighting. Firstly, always disconnect the power before cutting or modifying rope lights. Secondly, use appropriate connectors and wiring for the installation. Thirdly, follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Fourthly, avoid bending rope lights too sharply, as this can damage the internal wiring. Fifthly, protect rope lights from moisture and extreme temperatures. To further enhance the ambience created by rope lighting, consider pairing it with other lighting fixtures. For example, recessed lighting can provide general illumination, while table lamps can add task lighting. Dimmers can be used to control the brightness of both the rope lights and other fixtures, allowing you to create a customized lighting scheme. In conclusion, rope lighting can be a versatile and attractive addition to any home, but it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. By carefully considering the factors outlined above, you can choose the right rope light for your needs and ensure a safe and successful installation. Remember to prioritize safety, follow manufacturer's instructions, and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any doubts. With proper planning and execution, rope lighting can transform your living room into a warm and inviting space. Let's consider some specific scenarios to illustrate the benefits and drawbacks of rope lighting. Imagine a homeowner wants to add accent lighting to their kitchen cabinets. LED rope lights would be an ideal choice due to their low profile, energy efficiency, and cool operation. They could be easily installed under the cabinets to provide a subtle glow, highlighting the countertop and backsplash. However, if the homeowner chooses incandescent rope lights, they may experience issues with heat buildup and frequent bulb replacements. Now, imagine a business owner wants to outline their storefront with rope lighting. Outdoor-rated LED rope lights would be a good option due to their durability and weather resistance. They could withstand rain, snow, and extreme temperatures, providing a long-lasting and attractive display. However, if the business owner chooses low-quality rope lights, they may fade or crack over time, detracting from the appearance of the storefront. Finally, imagine a homeowner wants to create a festive atmosphere for a holiday party. Color-changing LED rope lights would be a fun and versatile choice. They could be programmed to display different colors and patterns, creating a vibrant and dynamic ambience. However, if the homeowner chooses rope lights with a complicated control system, they may find it difficult to operate and adjust the settings. In each of these scenarios, the choice of rope lighting depends on the specific application and the desired outcome. By carefully considering the factors outlined above, you can choose the right rope light for your needs and ensure a successful and satisfying result. Always prioritize safety, follow manufacturer's instructions, and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns. With proper planning and execution, rope lighting can add a touch of magic to any space.